The United Tiprasa Forum, a prominent social organization under the Lam Phunuknai Trust, organized a one-day orientation program and workshop at the Agartala Press Club today. The program was headlined by Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma, the founder of the TIPRA Motha party and Tripura's royal scion. The event focused on community empowerment and the educational advancement of the indigenous youth of Tripura. Addressing the attendees, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma emphasized the importance of self-reliance and academic excellence for the Tiprasa people. He urged the youth to leverage platforms like the UTF to prepare for competitive examinations and professional careers, stating that true empowerment comes through education and economic independence. During the session, the UTF highlighted its upcoming initiatives, including the registration for its 2026 batch of free coaching classes. This program aims to support 1,000 students with special reservations for those from financially weaker backgrounds, particularly those aspiring for the TCS and TPS.
So, the most important thing is not to have faith in books, but in your heart. I love all of you. I loved you from before, but every year I love you even more. And I'm telling the truth, Bubagra loves you. I really love you. And what do I want in return? Your votes? No. I want you to be successful. And success cannot be defined by degrees. Success means be honest, be happy, love each other. He said one day we will be successful. If you do not achieve everything, I also wanted to be a footballer. I also wanted to be at one time, when I was young, I wanted to be a footballer. I wanted to be a musician. नहीं हुआ. लेकिन नहीं हुआ इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मेरे अंदर bitterness आ गया. So you do whatever you have to do, but don't forget one thing, that you will be judged by your honesty and integrity. Today, the reason why we are not succeeding is because we do not have faith in ourselves. Buddhism has quoted Bible. I can quote you Bhagavad Gita. Somebody can quote you Khorang. Somebody can quote you all the religious textbooks. But I see people, they go on Sunday to church and they comment about each other's clothes. You don't need to understand Jesus by going to church. You can learn it in your home. You don't need to go to a mandir to understand what Krishna or Ram says. You can do it in your own heart. You don't need to go to a Buddha mandir to meditate. You can do it in your own backyard. But now we want to show more, but do less. We want to show that we are very good Christians. We want to show that we are very good Hindus. We want to show we are very good Buddhists. But in our heart, we are saying, I am Debbarma, I am Riyan, I am Jamantia, I am Rangpal, I am Tripura. So, what is this education all brought you to? 17. All 17 will not become officers, IS officers, TCS officers, judicial officers. Some will not succeed. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप हार गए. जिंदगी में हमेशा आप जीतना. You don't only learn from victory, you learn from defeat. Here there are teachers, I believe. Where are the teachers here?
The workshop saw participation of TTADC CM Purnachandra Jamatia, Minister Brisaketu Debbarma, Rajeshwar Debbarma, and leaders of the United Tiprasa Forum, who outlined the organization's roadmap for 2026. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.